Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can create a black and white or grayscale filter for your video clips on Shotcut in 2025. So let us get started. Alright guys, so navigate to your video clip in your video project and select it on your timeline, and after that navigate to filters here. Click into this plus button and simply use the search bar here to find the saturation filters. You can use that one here, that single saturation filter. You can also make it your favorite if you like, and you can also use that hue, lightness and saturation filter. So let us go with the single saturation filter first. Click into it, and after that simply adjust that slider here below where it says to simply adjust your saturation or grayscale effect. As you can see, that it's pretty intense, so what you want to do is simply use that if you like, or you can remove that filter. Otherwise guys, you may also use the second saturation filter. So let me find it again. Hue, lightness and saturation. Let me make it a favorite. And after that, play around with these sliders here. So you may use the saturation slider to apply the grayscale effect. But also guys, you can play around with the lightness here. For example, change the intensity of the black and white effect just like that. You can use the same here for the hue if you like, but it has only minor effect as you can see. But you can play around with saturation and lightness. If you'd like to go back to default, click into that button here. And that's it guys, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.